Pool tables are beautiful because of their timeless elegance. To preserve this beauty, it is necessary to hire specialized professional pool table movers. Déménagement Total is the right choice for your move. The process begins with dismantling the top rails with cushions and blinds. Then we package each piece separately with padded covers to protect them well during transport. After careful packing, the movers bring all the table rails and blinds into the truck. We clean the surface of the table and the cloth well with a soft brush. It is necessary to carefully remove all staples located around the table in order to release the cloth. This process requires a certain level of patience to avoid damage. The pool table cloth, also called billiard cloth or felt, is folded and ready to be transported. Now it's time to mark and unscrew the slate plates. Since slate is a fairly heavy object, it must be carefully placed back on the floor and wrapped well with thick blankets. Each pool table slate bed is then loaded into the moving truck and secured to the wall with strong fixing straps. It's time to take care of the pool table frame or cabinets. We remove the support structure that holds the entire table in place and start packing it. It is important to wrap all cabinet sides and cabinet ends of the table to avoid damage. Subsequently, the frame is loaded into the truck and securely attached to the wall. The pool table is finally delivered to its destination. Piece by piece, the movers unload everything in a very scrupulous manner, without damaging the parts of the table or the walls of the house.
Wow! Good job, guys!
Once everything is unloaded, we begin unpacking and setting up the table. The first step is to install the table legs and frame. Then we position the pool table according to the customer's requirements and center it parallel to the interior walls of the billiard room. Before installing these slates, it is imperative to level the frame. To perfectly adjust the table level, rigid leveling pads or rubbers are used. After leveling the table, we install the slates carefully so as not to damage them and to maintain the leveling. The next step is to fix and screw the slates of the pool table, corresponding to the marking lines. We check the leveling using the spirit level and a billiard ball. Still working on the ideal leveling wedges are inserted under the table slates to adjust the height and ensure the playing surface is properly leveled. In this specific case, the joints between the slates are filled with wax. Otherwise, we also use permanent products to seal these joints. We stretch the carpet on the table using clamps. Before stapling the carpet, we make sure again that the table is properly leveled and clean. So, it's time to staple the cloth all around the table in a balanced manner on both sides at the same time. Once the stapling is completed, we unpack and install the top rails with the pockets. The pockets and rails are all screwed in and the operation is complete. Finally, it's a good time to play billiards. Thanks for watching.